Ever pondered over the secret sauce that makes cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum tick? What if it's not just about the technology, but the underlying economic principles, or in other words, the tokenomics? Picture this. You have a world where traditional economic principles fuse with digital currencies, where supply and demand, utility, scarcity, and distribution don the digital cape. Welcome to the realm of tokenomics, the economics of the blockchain. The first pillar of tokenomics is the dynamics of supply and demand. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, supply is usually predetermined. Bitcoin, for instance, has a cap of 21 million coins. Demand, on the other hand, fluctuates based on factors like market sentiment and utility. It's a delicate balance, a digital dance, if you will. Speaking of utility, it's the second key component of tokenomics. Utility is the functionality or purpose of a token within its ecosystem. Think of it as the why of a token. For example, in Ethereum, Ether is used to pay for transactions and computational services, so the more useful a token, the higher its potential value. Next comes scarcity. Scarcity in tokenomics is what makes a token valuable. It's similar to gold or diamonds in the physical world. The harder it is to get, the higher the value. For instance, Bitcoin's value is partly derived from its scarcity, with a maximum supply of 21 million. Distribution is the final piece of the tokenomics puzzle. It refers to how tokens are spread among the ecosystem. A fair and wide distribution often leads to a healthier and more secure network. Tokenomics isn't just an academic concept, it's very much a part of our digital reality. From defining the value of cryptocurrencies to determining their function in the blockchain ecosystem, tokenomics is reshaping our understanding of economics. So what did we decipher today? Tokenomics is the economic system that fuels the blockchain. It revolves around supply and demand dynamics, utility, scarcity, and distribution. It's a digital economy, a new age market, where the principles of economics get a tech-savvy twist. So the next time you hear about a new cryptocurrency or a blockchain project, remember to peek behind the technology. Ask about its tokenomics, because as we've learned today, it's not just about the code, but also the economic DNA that powers the digital world. Now that you've learned about tokenomics, it's time to dive deeper. Start exploring the fascinating world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Don't just stop here. Keep your curiosity alive. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos that will help you navigate this digital economy with ease. And remember, knowledge is power, and power is best when shared. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in the future of finance.